Too many similar attachments hide the trade-off. Start with KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder for custom blends. Switch for pasta, shaved ice, or mid-size shredding. Choose by cooking job, storage, cleanup, and frequency. For custom meat blends, buy the KitchenAid Metal Food Grinder Attachment. It suits frequent burger, meatball, meatloaf, or sausage makers who keep their mixer accessible. You control the cuts and texture without storing another powered appliance. But mounting, grinding, and cleanup make this a planned project, and some meat remains inside afterward. The sausage pieces expand what it can do, while adding more parts to store. Skip it if packaged ground meat works fine, or you'll only grind occasionally. For fresh pasta nights, choose the KitchenAid Pasta Roller. It's for cooks who make pasta regularly and want both hands available to guide dough, especially when feeding guests. Motorized rolling makes sheet thickness easier to manage alone. The trade-off is noise, plus steel rollers that need dry cleaning and occasional maintenance rather than washing. It only rolls sheets, so you'll still need a knife, cutter, or separate attachment. Skip it if pasta is rare or a cheaper manual roller fits your pace. For party desserts, the KitchenAid Shave Ice Attachment turns frozen pucks into quick, small batches for treats and drinks. It fits hosts who'll plan ahead and want a dessert station without another powered machine. But it uses molded pucks, not ordinary freezer cubes. The 4 included molds also cap your ready-to-shave supply unless you freeze a stash or buy extras. Replacement blades may add ownership cost later. Skip it if you need large servings immediately or don't want freezer prep. For mid-size prep, get the KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer / Shredder Attachment. It fits regular jobs with root vegetables or firmer cheeses when a full food processor feels excessive. You gain powered slicing and shredding without storing another countertop appliance. However, the narrow opening means more trimming, and food may collect near the grater. Its high outlet can also scatter shreds, while strongly colored ingredients may stain the white housing. Skip it for large batches, bulky produce, or if you already own a food processor. Quick split, custom blends, metal food grinder. Pasta sheets, pasta roller. Frozen party treats, shave ice attachment. Moderate slicing and shredding, fresh prep slicer / shredder. Before buying, check mixer access, attachment storage, batch size, cleaning steps, and whether you'll use it often enough to justify setup. Start with the metal food grinder if homemade blends are already in your routine. Switch for frequent pasta nights, planned frozen desserts, or moderate shredding jobs. Buy for the task you'll repeat, not the novelty. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.